Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode in Telegram. Alright, first of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. And then after you open your Telegram, and if you want to enable the dark mode, you can click on this button on the top left corner of your screen. And then you can choose this symbol, guys. Click on it. And alright, now the dark mode has been applied to your Telegram. And okay guys, that's how we can enable the dark mode in Telegram. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment on this video. See you. Bye.